8th class student, exercise 10A, profit and loss. First question, first part. CP is equal to $620 and SB is equal to $730. Here SB greater than CP. Gain is equal to SP minus CP. Gain is equal to $713 minus 620. After minus is 93. Gain percent to find gain into 100 upon CP. That is formula. Putting the value 93 into 100 upon 620. 0 divided by 0. 31 2 जा 62. 13 3 जा 93. 2 5 जा 10. 3 5 जा 15. 15% is gain from the first part. Second part is first question, second part. In question is CP is equal to 675 and CP is equal to 675 and SP is equal to 630. Here CP greater than SP. Loss is equal to CP minus SP. 675 minus 630. After minus is 45 rupees. Loss percent is equal to loss into 100 upon CP. Putting the value loss is equal to 45 into 100 upon 675. Divide by 5. 13 and 5. 20. 45 3 जा 135. is equal to 20/3 is equal to into mixed form 6 whole 2/3%. Question number first, second part is complete. Third part is CP is equal to 345. CP is equal to 345 and SP is equal to 372.60. Here SP greater than CP. Gain is equal to SP minus CP. SP is 372.60 minus 345. After minus is 0.67 and 2. Gain percent is equal to gain into 100 upon CP. Putting the value, gain is equal to 27.60. Gain percent is equal to gain into 100 upon CP. 27.60 into 100 upon CP is 345. After point, remove the point. 20/20. 5 divided by 5 6 and 5 9. Divide by 5 5 5 and 5 5 and 5 2. 3 is equal, divide by 3. Divide by 3 is 23. 3 1 3. 3 8 3 4. Double 5 2 divided by 3. 3 1 3. 8 and 4. 23 6 and 30. 8 is equal to 8% is gain. 23 8 Third part is complete. Fourth part is this time is CP is equal to 80 and SP is equal to 76.80. CP greater than SP. Loss is equal to 80 minus 76.80. After minus is 0.20 and 3. Loss percent is equal to loss into 100 upon CP. Loss here is 3.20 into 100 upon 80. After point remove the 00, 20 by 20, 10 by 10, 8 4 ja 32. Loss percent is equal to 4%. First question is complete. Thank you.